Yo, what's up my Jeep peeps? As you can see, the Jeep is all loaded up once again and we are headed out of town. It's July and hotter than a mug down here in Phoenix, so I'm headed to the airport right now to go pick up Kiara. Then we're gonna head north. Not quite sure where we're gonna go yet, but I know we're headed towards the White Mountains. I've been seeing some really cool places online, so we're gonna go try and find somewhere cool to camp. Maybe do a hike or two, but we'll see what we can get into. Peace. Hey, and it begins. Hey, what's up guys? So we just made it to camp. Night number 1. We didn't quite make it all the way up to Big Lake, but we made it to another lake over here on the Apache reservation. And it's about 1:30 in the morning, so we're just gonna call it a night, get a little sleep, and then see what we can find in the morning. Good morning. So we're just waking up. We were gonna try to make it up to Big Lake last night, but it got pretty late, so we just kind of pulled over off the highway, found this little camp spot, threw up the tent, and called it a night. So now I think we're gonna get up, make some breakfast, some biscuits and gravy, and then probably head a little bit more north. I think it's about 35 more minutes from where we're at now, and see if we can't go find a cool spot over by Big Lake. Peace. So this is how you make camp biscuits and gravy. This is gonna be my first time using a Dutch oven, so we'll see how they turn out. But I got an old Dutch oven, seasoned it, cleaned it, so we're gonna try it out today. But first, coffee. And now it's time for the crema. The crema. Yeah, I like a little coffee with my cream. Don't judge me. Okay, so we're just gonna grab some of those biscuits, throw it in this Dutch oven here, and then throw it in the fire, throw the lid on, and put some coals on top of that and see how it turns out. Like I said, if anybody has a better way to do this, please comment below in the comment section. Give me some tips. Shit, if you even have some good Dutch oven recipes, put them down there. I'll try them out. While the biscuits are cooking, I'm gonna start on the gravy. I'm gonna do a sausage country gravy from scratch. Super simple. Brown the sausage, add some flour, put a little bit of heavy cream, mix it in with the sausage. After it's brown, put a little seasoning. Boom, done. All right, moment of truth. Let's see what them biscuits are looking like. Let's see. Probably gonna actually need to bring that down. Oh, not bad. Okay, those look ready to go. What's up, y'all? Just pulled into campsite number 2. So we're gonna get all set up. I already got the tent up. I'm gonna set up the kitchen, and then I'm gonna cook some dinner for us. I'm thinking some grilled chicken, bow tie Alfredo or something like that with some broccoli. But yeah, and then in showers, and then we gonna chill. Literally that easy. So tonight we take showers. Dinner. Delicious. Good morning. This is morning number 2 up here in the White Mountains. Last night was good. It was nice and comfy. Had a nice cool breeze. The weather was good. So today I think we're going to go search for Pacheta Falls. It shouldn't be too far from where we're at. I think it's like a 5-mile hike round trip, or there's some trails that you could take up there to get you closer to the falls. So I think we're gonna make some breakfast. We're gonna load up camp, and then we're gonna head out and look for the falls. Up once again, cleaned up camp. Yeah, we're about to head out to back to Big Lake, to the Sunrise General Store, I think it is, and see if we can't figure out how to get to the falls. I know you got to get permits for it, so if you're planning on visiting, you got to stop at the Sunrise General Store and purchase permits. I think they're like $45 for the day. So that's where we're headed next, and then we're gonna go see if we can find this place. Peace.
Hey, sexy. Oh, there's a car.
Late night update. So we did not find the waterfall. Turns out that the instructions we were given when we bought our permits were incorrect. Yo, I got the grammar police over here. Apparently it's given, but given, and I don't care what it is. We didn't find the goddamn waterfall. Place where we bought our permits at gave us the wrong directions. So we spent the whole day driving around trying to find this waterfall, but we were defeated. But we saw some really cool stuff, as you've seen in the video, lots of cool wildlife. And we ended up back at Pacheta Lake, where we met this ranger who gave us the correct instructions. So tomorrow we might try to make our way back over there. I don't know. We'll see where the day takes us. But for now, we're all packed in, found our little camp spot, and we are about to call it a night. So good night, world. We'll see you tomorrow. Good morning on day number 3. So I think we're gonna get up, make some coffee, head back to Sunrise General Store, fill up on gas, and maybe take one more shot at this waterfall. See if we can't go find it. And then head back to Phoenix. So I'm gonna head downstairs, get the stove going, maybe make a little breakfast, make some coffee, and hit the road. All right, so this morning we're doing something quick and easy. We're making some breakfast egg and cheese biscuits. So I got my little egg and cheese on, and then we're gonna roll out. Yeah. This, guys, the squirrel was hungry. He's literally eating her breakfast sandwich. He literally took up the sandwich. Bro. All right, gassing up, and we're gonna make a second attempt at finding the falls. So hopefully second time's a charm. All right, so we made it to the falls. Well, we're presuming is the parking to the falls. So we're getting all lathered up in sunscreen and getting our little snacks together. Gonna take our little hike down to the water. We hear it right over here, so it sounds pretty positive. Well, we found the falls, hanging out in Pacheta Creek. We're at the top, not sure how to make it down the bottom. I think you gotta hike all the way up from the bottom of the creek to get to the base of the waterfall. So we're just gonna hang out up here in these little tide pools. But right there is where it drops off. until next time, peace.